Hey, so how about your managers? Your consultant walks in or somebody walks in to try to make some changes in your factory, and lots of times the biggest problem isn't the operators on the line, it's the managers themselves. The managers have done the same thing for sometimes many years or sometimes very few years, but nonetheless the idea of change is not very good to them. They hate the idea. They think they've done it good enough, they've made you profit. They have all these excuses. We don't know the Chinese market. We don't understand Chinese people. You don't understand people from my district. You don't understand people from my region. You don't understand Jiangsu people or Shenzhen people. We've heard all the excuses before. And really comes down to is intelligent scientific management, which will allow you to be able to make changes in your factory. And constant change has to be something that you strive for, because change and improvement, if it doesn't occur, your competitor will change and improve and take your business away from you. So the key to this is your management. If your management's not willing to change, you won't change. If your management's willing to change, then good things can happen. How do we deal with that? First and foremost, we try to get a small, quick win project together so the managers can understand what the changes can do and how it can help them do their job. Remember, if we're making their job harder or making their job more complex or doing some things that they don't understand, they won't cooperate. Our goal is to make their jobs more simple, less complex, so they can do some of the other work they need to do their jobs better. So a quick win project, we involve a small team, teach them lean manufacturing, maintenance, or something else, something that's a problem in your factory. We do a training course for 1 or 2 days, and as a part of the training course, we pick a project or 2 or 3, depending on how many people in the training course, and we have them go after that project. And it's something they should be able to finish in a week or 2, and something they should be able to see the results of 2 weeks after that. So a total 4-week commitment, part-time, they can still do their own job, to show them that this kind of techniques, these kind of things, get them involved. Hopefully, at this point in time, we start to have some of the managers involved. One of the key things is to get a small manager, low-level manager, who can do some of the work for us, because he knows the people, he knows the systems. Then, an upper-level manager, who is the sponsor of the project, who, when people come to complain, people get mad, people don't like, still supports the project and helps the project to move forward. Takes into account what the people want, talks to their consultant, but moves forward with the project. Only through the double role of the lower level people getting the work done, getting the projects shown so that the projects can be shown to be successful, and an upper level manager to push, can the mid-level managers change. Now, one thing's for sure, scientific data has shown that it takes 18 months to 24 months for a total change to happen in the attitudes of people and get them doing the business the new ways that you want them to do. So really, training and constant reinforcement by the owner of the factory or the general manager helps this to occur. The consultant can come in weekly, every couple of weeks, whatever works well, after most of the training and the projects and the lines have been set up, to continue to help reinforce. Because once the project's in place, reinforcement has to happen on a regular basis for your people to actually change their attitudes, and get them into a position where they're going to do the continuous improvement work on themselves. The last thing you want to do is keep hiring a consultant to constantly come and keep changing your factory for you. Your own people should be able to do that. Once it's taught to you, once you know what's going on, you should be able to do that work yourself. Maybe you need a little help here and there, that's okay. We'll come in and help you. But remember, the attitudes of your mid-level managers, what they want and don't want, can stop things or get things going. Their buy-in, their way of thinking is one of the most important aspects of making your transformation of your business work very, very well for you.